Hey everyone, Ozfromthehallway here. Welcome back to a common theme on the channel. It's called food review. I do this all the time. I'll put one of my videos where I've done this before. It's right up there. All right, you see it? Okay. Today we have Jolly Rancher C4. I don't know, 0 sugar, green apple. I like green apple. And sticking with the green theme. White cheddar cheesy grooves. Yeah, I don't really know what much there's to say. I like the groove first. It's like groovy fries, but like not groovy fries. If you know Sonic. Never actually had a cheesy groove, so let's see. Oh yeah. No. It's like if you took the white cheddar goldfish and made them taste like saltines. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 5. It's like an average, you know. Actually, no. If we're going with average snacks, I'll go like as a 5. I'll go like a 4.5. No, I'll go 5. It's edible, just not. Like, I wouldn't like go out of my way to buy this. I'd rather buy like anything else, like Ruffles of any kind, Cheez-Its, Goldfish, Lay's, Doritos, you know, Fritos, Cheetos, onion rings, like Funyuns, I mean, you know. Okay. Clean the palette out. You know how the clip of, you know, it's not like it's part of the episode where you do let in Two Dungeons Go, where they do the burger versus burritos, and like they eat the burrito first, and they're like, pretty good, I like it, and then Cyborg like cleans their mouth out with like the soap, and then they eat the burger. They're like, yeah, I like it. And they're like, what's the difference? And they're like, no, I like them both. And they're like, then they fight. Like, yeah, I think it's cool. All right. Green apple. This could be really good. 200 milligrams of caffeine. Nothing. Maybe it'll help me do my homework that I have to do. This might be the myth. This might be tech. This is tech right here. Let's see. You know, my favorite Gatorade flavor is green apple. This is the best tasting thing I've ever had in drink form. The best thing I've ever drank in my entire life. And it's 0 sugar. This is amazing. There isn't even like any crazy ingredients in here too. Holy shit. All right, C4, please sponsor me. I need an infinite amount of these. If everyone can send this video a C4, everyone can tag them in the comments if that's possible. Email it to them, text it to them if you have their number. Get me in touch with C4. I need a sponsorship because oh my god, so good. I'm trying to cheese it after having had that. It makes the cheese taste better. It makes the groove taste better. The groovy cheese. My god. Alright guys. I'm giving that like a 9.5. Nope, it's 10. It's a 10. I've never had anything this good in my entire life, drink-wise. Yup. Everyone subscribe. Like the video, subscribe, send it to C4. Send the Cheez-It too. I don't know. Who's Cheez-It ran by? Probably Pepperidge Farms. Kellogg. Email us to Kellogg. Get them to sponsor me. Email this to C4 Energy. Get them to sponsor me. Let me know. Let me know what you got. Give me to 40 subs, and I will stare at a mirror for an hour straight. On live, maybe. If not on live, then I'll just time lapse the video. Maybe I'll do it on live. Record record the live, and then just like post it as a time lapse. If I can do that, I don't know. All right. Subscribe. Give me that sponsorship. Give me 40 subs. Ozfromthehallway out.